Mountains conquered, trails destroyed, thousands of kilometers ridden in dust. Riders from everywhere chasing the same thrill, the same challenge, but among all of them, why us?
Okay ka lang? Sige, it's okay. Sorry ko yan. 1, 2, 3. Nice. So U-turn tayo. Negative. Di namin alam kung nasa kaming area pero nag-ashfall. Oy! Okay ka lang. Maganda nga yung MX style, no? Parang ito na. No?
For the first time, we weren't riding only for ourselves anymore. We were carrying the trust of people who believed in us. Brands, friends, communities, expectations.
What a great adventure! Thank you, Fox Racing and ROX. Bakit tawa na tawa? Talagang reps my heart.
Yeah?
Ceremony. With the Yamaha Adventure Team, our representatives for upcoming FJ Moto Mountain Cross Rally.
We've ridden together for years, locally and abroad. We were together in the Himalayas, in Mongolia, and of course riding here locally. But we are, what to say, weekend warriors, passionate riders who even in our daily lives, busy lives, we put time into our passions.
We will do our best to finish strong, present to that, and we're just gonna enjoy as a team.
In the encourage and passion will inspire entire Yamaha adventure community. We are confident in you and looking forward to see that what you will accomplish. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Represent.
So these are our spare parts to bring.
Ready for adventure na.
Ganda, no? Pag may bag na. Si Nico parang proud father, eh.
And that came with a question. Were we really ready for this? Because year after year, the FJ Moto Mountain Cross had become something bigger. What once started as a group of enthusiasts chasing adventure had evolved into a rally unlike any other.
Hoy, tangina mo! Huwag kang tutumba. Tik na ako. Last ride fan. Kaya natin to, Nico. Kaya natin to. Kaya dyan. Ay! Alas na ito ito magag.
And somewhere along the way, the mountain cross became a proving ground.
We're now here in to go to load up the bikes.
Kuya, pasok mo na rin yung isang motor para makita natin dadaanan ng tali. Hindi lang ako nakapasok sa container yard Linutang, lupit nung ano nila, pang buhat. Parang laruan lang Kuya, mag-donuts ka sa gitna, bilis! habang andyan yung donuts. Okay, kuya, game na! Game na! Oy, bilisan nyo dyan! Bikes are loaded. See you in CDO. Good job, boys!
Dre. And this year's proving ground, an experience for most of us.
Mr. Grit, host!
It was in Mindanao.
Welcome to CDO. Welcome to Mindanao.
This is it.
The deeper we traveled, the more everything felt different. The heat, the road,
Tapos bubuksan pa.
the food. Even the air felt different.
Ngayon pa lang ako nag-video, ubus na yung lahat ng pagkain. Solid. Mga itong kinainan natin.
Grabe, init dito yan. Si Por natin, si Por.
Oy, nakatayo pa!
Survive.
Forman!
Por.
Yun, solid. Oh, tingin na yun. Tintayin na natin to.
Grabe kayo, ba't nyo pinagkakarga si Mark? Bring this out na muna. Labas ko muna to.
Okay.
Dito mo na yan. Shopping mo.
Okay. Oh, putangin mo. Okay. Uy!
But what stood out most was their hospitality.
Welcome to Rev Zone, Mindanao.
Boss!
Baka talaga, boss.
Boss, ano yan, boss?
Baka talaga, boss.
We were strangers, but not treated like strangers. Their service bay became our workspace. Their doors became open to us, and before the rally had even started, we already felt supported.
FJ Moto. Iba.
Maayong pag-abot sa kanilang laro. And I was in awe kasi parang nakita ko talaga na perfect yung fit ng team ninyo and what you believe in, what you enjoy with what Yamaha is really representing as a brand, you know? And we will continuously support. And hindi lang support, ipagmamayabang na ikikwento namin yung mga kwento at saka mga kwento niyo. Thank you so much. Sharing.
Before the official rally began, we wanted one final shakedown ride.
So we're now setting up the Insta360s.
Guys, check it out. Ace Pro 2. Panalo,
Sir.
panalo. Perfect, perfect.
So we have two X5, one here and one with Mr. ADV 360. Inigo and Jay, they have the Go 3, and of course with Mr. Mark Su, another Insta 360 Ace Pro 2.
How do I turn it off?
Alright, let's go.
Just a simple lunch ride to eat the famous steaks at the Del Monte Clubhouse. At least that was the plan.
Op. May nahulog. Kay Inigo.
Everything that could happen in the rally somehow happened during the shakedown. We lost our valuables.
Woohoo! Thank you! Magpapakain ako! Wow! Boys, halika! Thank you! Saan nyo nakuha? Boy, halika dito! May yakap ako sa'yo! Thank you. Oh, halika dito. May ano ka. Yung mga nakakuha at saka yung mga kaibigan. Oh, may pang-merienda kayo ha. May merienda kayo ha. Oh, thank you. So being honest. Tuwag-tuwa si Kuya oh.
Sa inyo ko!
Yeah! Panalo.
Thank you, Lord! Asan si Boy? Asan yung nakapilan? Sino nakapulan?
Ito. Nabigyan ko na ng reward. Thank you. Woohoo! Panalo. Ganda ng adventure natin. Day 1 pa lang oh. Day 0.
Welcome back, Boy.
Back, brother. Matibay. Walang gas.
Di ba nagsisimula FJ? Nakikitahay ka na.
go, 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 go!
Video ako kuya. Go. Right. Wait lang patulong, baka kailangan kong tulong dito. Wow! Uy! Oh, sige kuya, pahinga lang.
Tuloy mo.
Ano mo? 1, 2, 3.
Guys, panalo. Ang ganda. Check out the view. Ayan yung bukid nun. So nag-lunch ride lang kami. End up, nandito na kami sa part na to kasi dapat may coffee shop kami pupuntan somewhere. Ito yung shortest route na binigay ni Guru Maps. Trail pala to, alang Diyo. Mataas na yung chance ito yung dadaanan for tomorrow's event ng FJ.
Nakaharap dun sa ano. Gagi, ganda na view mo!
Okay, see you. Ganda ng community niyan.
We ended up deeper in the mountain than expected. Something quite familiar for a crazy group like us. Maybe it should have been our first warning that Mindanao wasn't going to make things easy for us.
Gasolina natin ha, 1 bar. Everyone, be mindful. Hi. Okay, so medyo napasok natin tong ibang lugar. Supposed to be, it's a quick lunch ride lang, pero may nakita kaming shortcut and we end up in this place. So the guys, nag-a-assess sila kung gaano pa kalayo. They said 39 kilometers pa.
Na naman. Bakit di na warm up to Tsaka di ba dapat magsi-steak tayo na dinner? Ito ba yung daan papuntang Del Monte?
Sa ganitong single track, 39 kilometers, ibang usapan yan. So plan B tayo, papalipad tayo ng drone para makita natin, ma-assess natin yung kung gaano kalayo pa talaga yung lugar. Time check, 5:30 na, 5:30. Okay, good news. Good news, may iikutan tayo sa baba. Bad news, bundok ang buong area. So U-turn tayo, negative. So nag-ashfall, di namin alam kung nasa kaming area pero nag-ashfall. Sobrang layo pa nito, bundok, na-check namin sa drone. So the route is not good at this time, 5:30. So plan, U-turn din kami. Babalikin namin yung kung saan kami galing. Sige pa, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, nice. Angat pa, angat. Side ulit.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Gapang lang, second gear.
But somehow, like every good adventure, things eventually work themselves out.
Biglag, nakalabas. Magtanong tayo dun sa mga matatanda kung may iba pang dadaanan. Kung tawag sa lugar na to?
Dito lugar, Impanong. Dere, Absam City, Absam. Dere
Absam.
may lugar, dere.
So balik tayo.
Balik na, yun na. Parachute.
Yun o. Uy! Mortares ng Pinas! Sige, Ninong, pakiramdaman nyo muna.
Ah, ganda yung tingnan.
Breakfast lang tsaka dinner.
Sige, so day 2 dinner, let's go hot food. Oh, chicken dinner.
Chicken.
Oh, ito.
Okay guys, so food distribution na ngayon. Dito sa room 406 with Team Yamaha Philippines.
This is our nutritionist, Mr. Mark Soon. Marcus nutritionist.
Alright, so ready na tayo. So we have rice to go. We have beef soup. And rice chicken. Perfect.
Strength, I like helping the organizing and holding the team together.
Me, kumbaga, as the team leader and navigator, kumbaga, palagi ko kasi iniisip, kailangan natin makauwi lahat ng safe eh. Diba? So, yun yung number one talaga sa akin. Makauwi tayo lahat ng safe, tsaka enjoy lang. Tapos, siguro weakness ko,
I think my main objective is really to go home safe, ride just, if this is my ability, just a bit below. Ayun, just so that we can enjoy this. So, I think yan lang naman.
Sa akin siguro, strength. Yun, matutulungan ko kayo sa mga obstacles, kahit papano. Makit yung mga bikes, matapos natin yung technical na sections. Minsan naiiya lang din ako magbigay ng tips. Siyempre, ko na lang.
So for me, I want it in two things. Of course, personally, is to have the core memory of, alam mo yun, doing another FJ, representing a brand, Yamaha. Yan, that's how it will, yun yung ano ko.
So for me naman, I see us moving like a well-oiled machine sana. Not too fast, not too slow. Me, personally, being able to keep up. I don't go, medyo babagal ako mag-ride. Ganun lang talaga ako. So please bear with me, but yesterday pa lang, I'm trying to push myself already so that I can keep up. We're a solid Special Forces team na sa Black Hawk down. Wala tayong magagawa, nandiyan na tayo. Kailangan natin dumaan. And I see us moving as a pack. Yeah, so there, relax. That's our quick coaching session.
yeah! Thanks, coach!
Alright.
The coaching session.
The FJ Moto Mountain Cross Adventure had become one of the most anticipated events in the adventure riding community. Now on its 5th year, the challenge had evolved once again.
Yes sir, we arrived at Yamaha booth here at Convention Center sa CDO. So with the team Yamaha and the Yamaha crew, this is our scrutiny day.
I think we're ready.
Alright.
You're all here.
What was once not a race, now transformed into a rally. There are placings, rankings, and a competitive spirit looming. Something Mindanao was known for. And for the riders who had experienced previous mountain cross events, the shift brought mixed emotions. Uncertainty, curiosity, questions about how all of this would unfold. No one fully knows what waits ahead. All we knew what to do was prepare for the unknown. The unknown was about to begin.
Morning good! Time check, 4:47. Every rule has been clearly set, not to limit you but to protect the ride, the community, and the spirit of the rally. Ride hard, ride smart, respect the rules. Welcome to the FJ Mountain Cross Rally. Tindig balahibo.
Master, thank you. Love you. Alright. Discipline. Reps are hard. Alright, let's go, boys. Woohoo! Just a chill ride.
And just like that, the mountain cross had begun.
Ingat.
The first fall was over. The tension broke. Now we started riding more naturally.
Oh, isang ikot.
Momentum. Hindi kami titigil, sorry. Okay guys, good morning. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa going to checkpoint 3. Sobrang ganda ng Bukidnon. So, yan nakikita nyo. Yes, that's the Bukidnon. Alright, medyo yung paakyat is super loose rock. Pero, gapang first gear. Doable. Panalo. See you guys again.
Then suddenly, the mountain cross we had all been waiting for was finally here. The terrain changed and the carnage began.
Jay, pag-preserve energy ako Sumakit likod ko sa bulhat kanina. Sabi, ganda.
Ay, natubig lang sabi.
mountain started collecting riders. On a downhill section, Jay accidentally clipped Edri.
Check lang. One at a time. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Ang likod mo, Mark. 1, 2, 3.
Nice one.
Yeah. Signal light lang. Tutulak ko lang to. Kasi
Hindi naman nasira yung brake lever pero nag-loose.
The damage looked minor, but in adventure riding, confidence can disappear faster than traction.
Take it out po. Thank you.
Suddenly, the challenge wasn't technical, it was mental. After reassessing and trusting instinct over assumption, we realized the mountain cross wasn't only testing riding ability, it was testing awareness.
Ayun na, hindi pa akong malaglag sa bangin.
So nandito tayo sa Dodjangan Falls. This is actually a trick checkpoint. So if you follow dun sa last coordinate na binigay, if you follow the coordinates na binigay dun, is dadaling kayo somewhere sa bukid dun. That's 1 hour and 19 minutes. May instruction dun na kailangan nyo pumunta sa Dodjangan Falls. Hanapin nyo daw dun. So maraming group ang napunta dun. That's 1 hour and a half drive. That's it. That's how FJ Moto Mountain Cross works. You have to be detailed and yung navigation nyo is talagang dapat sobrang importante. So yun, nakasave tayo ng 1.5 hours going there. Di tayo napunta doon.
Sorry.
Wait lang. Sorry. Iningat ako. Hindi ako mabasa din. 1, 2, 3. See? 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Momentum pa ha. Yan. Sige, buelo pa rin na.
Yun, kalalabas lang namin dito sa rally point number 5, Dongjongan Falls. Muntik na kaming pumuntang bukid noon, 100 plus kilometers. Nakaset na kami sa mapa, buti na lang tinanong kami ng pulis. Tagal kasi namin tumambay sa pulis eh. Saan po ang punta nyo? Sa ano po? Dongjongan Falls. Ha? Eh dyan lang yan eh. Doon na pala. Boom! So galing mo DJ! At dumiretso na kami dito. Unfortunately maraming mga teams na pumunta doon sa isang sub-checkpoint. So they lost 2 hours or something. So swerte pa rin at nandito tayo ngayon. Everyone is in high spirits. Kahit ang dami na kaninang drop, kahit ang dami nang nahinog, solid.
By the time the campsite coordinates were released, with a lot of daylight left, somewhere at the end of day 1, we started believing. Maybe we really did belong here.
guys, we finally arrived dito sa first day ng checkpoint. So they are checking. Sila yung nag-i-stop nung Guru Maps para and then i-check nila yung speed mo kung nag-exceed ka ba ng 100 kph, which is yun yung hard rule ng event na to. If nag-exceed ka ng 100 kph, regardless kung saang part, may deduction ka sa points. And then if you lumagpas ka ng tatlong deductions or tatlong violations ng speed, then definitely you're gonna be disqualified or DQ.
Bili ako ng tilapia for dinner.
Uy, boss, medyo suka yan ah.
Maganda yung tapos tayo. Galing.
Mark. Gawa mo.
Who wants to share? Get one.
Pag mahirap, sasabihin mo, I love this!
Yo!
Kagana.
kami, nalula kami sa I love it.
Ano delivery mo? Gasoline. Yan! Premium!
Nahirapan ba kayo?
Wait, may off-road?
Hindi naman kayo nahirapan.
Si Mark.
Wala naman kami napansin na off-road ba?
Ano?
Ha? Puro alam mo,
May
sabi
downhill
ko,
ba? May downhill?
sabi ko, nagmarilaki na lang sana tayo eh.
Mr. Nature Boy, Mark Sung.
I'm the Bear Grylls of the Philippines. Takes me 2 hours to set up my tent.
While watching YouTube
While watching YouTube.
tutorials.
You know when you don't have anything else to do? Use YouTube.
Morning, boys. Day 2 starts today.
We're having
So, as
Papa King.
breakfast courtesy of our resident nutritionist. Sige, explain mo.
So we're having Mountain House scrambled eggs freeze-dried with a shelf life of 25 years. Rice ready-to-eat packaged rice, shelf life of 1 year with Japanese technology. Just open it and eat. And thank you Lazada and Papa King. I found Tapa Flakes.
Yan! Gourmet!
Ito ang breakfast ng mga malalakas.
Yan.
Malalakas, mahulog.
Alright, since kahapon medyo nalubog tayo sa tubig, ito ang wet boot setup. So with socks on, plastic, pasok, para yung pati yung pants hindi mababasa.
Edri,
Basic.
sorry Edri,
Yo,
hindi ko matiis na ganyan ka.
meron akong wet socks, okay na yan.
No, look at me. Wet socks din?
Oh,
May waterproof socks siya.
meron ako.
I did. Use it now.
Hindi,
Dito,
basa na eh.
Gore-Tex oh.
Okay na to muna. Ang setup na eh.
Sandali lang to.
Local, imported.
Lagi yun.
2 pesos,
$200.
$200.
Oh, 120 lang yan.
So Jay, anong masasabi mo sa day 1 natin ng FJ Moto Mountain Cross?
Day 1, swerte tayo kasi nasa unahan tayo eh. Hindi pa sira yung daan. So, na-expect natin ngayong araw na to, wala na masyadong trail. Sana chill ride na lang tayo. Mag-ingat na lang tayo sa traffic, sa mga kasabay natin. Good luck guys!
World peace. Sige, nakahapon. Yeah, world peace. Expectation for today, it's gonna be a chill ride, more immersion sa community, I think meron pa kaming pamimigay na mga school supplies. I think it's gonna be, that day is gonna be today. So, yeah, ulitan lang naman to sa sa comms.
Solid day to kahapon. Lahat ng preparations natin, I think nagbunga naman. So, we finished strong. Everyone is in high spirits, which yun naman yung gusto natin after day 1. And trivia lang, sa last, pag 5 FJ ko na to, first for 4 FJs, never ako umabot sa, never ko natapos yung checkpoints ng day 1. So, sobrang saya ko kahapon na may araw pa nakapag-set up camp. Kaya sobrang solid. Thank you, Lord.
Kasi ngayon lang siya sumali sa malakas na team.
By now, everyone already understood their role. The small systems we prepared before the rally now allow us to enjoy the ride more. Day 2 was less about intensity, more about experience. The checkpoints became communities. Schools tucked deep in the mountains.
Yeah, boy!
Yeah!
Morning. So, isa sa essence ng FJ Mountain Cross is nag-distribute lahat ng participants sa community. For example, dito sa school, i-distribute tayo ng school supplies. So, ito yung school supplies na bibigay natin sa kanila. So, ayan, so kailangan magpa-picture. Nandito rin ako sa mga locals. Like, hi everyone, hello! Alright, alright.
Rally point number 2. So we're giving away school supplies to the kids. And this is my kababayan from Bungabon. Mr. Biba. Woo! Solid support. Mr. Great!
And in between the schools and the supplies we hand out, the conversations and the smiles, we were reminded why this event feels special in the first place.
Bili tayong sardinas. Okay, 10. 1, 2, 3.
Sa bar nyo daw.
Saluhan po. Maraming salamat.
Madami po to.
Kaya pa tayo?
Kaya pa.
Picture muna tayo.
Isa pa.
Almost all FJs kasama talaga sa will be 1 or 2 dipping pools or waterfalls. So kasama yan para na-enjoy talaga natin yung nature.
Let's go, kuya! Putang ina! Magpa-parkour! Magpa-parkour!
The Quimergues Blue Water Lagoon, a perfect reset that made the rally disappear for a while. Leaving early gave us time for supplies and enough time to soak in the beauty of Mount Anahawan. Day 2 reminded us that sometimes the best part of adventure riding isn't the destination or the result. It is the stories you collect along the way.
FJ Mountain Cross Rally Day 2. So, right now, nandito na kami sa campsite. Day 2 is about the community. From registration pa lang, binigyan kami ng mga school supplies. Ang purpose talaga nun is to help the communities, yung mga mga students sa mga schools sa lublib na lugar. They are small schools for small communities. So, we're very happy na kahit pa paano nakapagbigay tayo ng saya at tulong sa kanila. Tapos meron ding isang checkpoint na we gave, all teams, each rider gave canned goods to the community. So again, going there yung right talaga. So nakakatuwa yung mga bata, yung mga tao sa community na kahit paano na-uplift natin kahit for a few hours, for a few days ang saya-saya nila. So again, time to reflect on the day, tapos mag-fun na rin.
So sa pinakamaganda nangyari ng day 2 is the immersion to the community. It was a rest day for the trail that happened yesterday. So masarap din na nakapagpahinga-pahinga, na enjoy lang namin yung view. It's also their chance to aspire and to see, alam mo yun, malalaking motor na ganito, maybe when they grow up, they'll want experience it as well, strive well in life, ganyan. So yun naman din yung yung parang inspiration na nabibigay nung whole event.
The cold, windy camp at the Sky Park gave us hotel-like rest. Consistently finishing 10th each day meant one thing. We would be released last once again. With confidence from our team dynamics and a strategy that was now well-oiled, we felt nothing, not even congestion, could stop us.
Morning! May kasalubong may kasalubong.
So rather than follow the crowd into the downhill trail, we backtracked to approach the first checkpoint another way. The left path didn't seem to connect properly in the maps.
Ayan na naman tayo. Bawas tayong gulong.
Experience told us to verify with the locals. Lusot,
Hindi ko alam, mag-iba ang lusod
Lisod, we rode on high spirits believing we were the first ones to pass the trail. That small decision in the start, it gave us an early advantage. But as we progressed, the bushes got thicker. we found ourselves at the dead end. Just like that, nearly 2 hours gone.
I think we made a wrong turn. Let's ask a local where we can pass.
Kasi yung sub-checkpoint 2, yun mismo yung nilikuan natin eh. Oh.
Wala, malabo. Hindi dito. Hindi yan tatawid ng ganito. Ano to?
Ito yung CP2. Yan yung, so yung supposed to be CP3 nandito yon sa taas. So iniisip ko baka may nagkamali akong liko eh. Kasi pero hindi eh, kasi sub-checkpoint 2 tayo.
Nasaan ba tayo ngayon?
Andito na tayo. Ayan, yan. Ayan. Pero yung ano, nandito lang oh, sa kabila. Di ba kanina nakita mo?
Putol.
Okay. All the way back, guys.
Yes.
All the way back.
Yung pababa naman.
At that point, frustration wouldn't help. The only thing left to do was keep moving. And slowly, the team tightened up again. This time, we were tasked to bring toys and candies for the local community.
Hoy, madami to. Pwede ba ipaagaw?
Oo!
Ano sila? Paagaw o pila?
Para marami ng hakot to.
Para maglaglagan ha. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Smiles from the children hidden deep in the mountains. A little playtime with friends. For a brief moment, the pressure disappeared. And maybe that was exactly what we needed before what came next.
Oh, 180, 179 versus 92.
92, malaki yun.
Linabo. River yan eh oh.
Linabo.
River yan eh.
Amusig River.
The trail came and it felt beautiful. Fast fire roads cutting through pine trees. At the river crossing, teams stopped to assess their lines.
Yes.
Choose your lane. Left or right?
Parang mas gusto ko right eh.
Rocky but shallow, right, cleaner but deeper. One quick look, we committed to the right. No hesitation, no second guessing. This was it.
Complete. Oh shit! Takadang! Momentum! Takadang! Kaliwa! Momentum! Kaliwa! Momentum! Kaliwa!
Then finally, there it was. The long climb of the Malitbog in Pasugong Road. Right before our eyes. So the strategy was simple. Keep moving forward. And in the middle of the chaos, one line kept repeating itself. I like it.
Oh, lakas! Ang lakas ni Boss Inigo! Woo! Woo! Lalakas yung run! Oy!
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Game. 1, 2, 3.
Yan.
1, 2, 3 pa. Okay na, tayo. Diyan, Jay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, kuya.
Okay, okay.
Ako na.
And eventually, the mountain let us through.
Lakas nyo, boys! I like it! I like it!
The view at the top felt different. Not because we conquered it, but because we earned our way through it. That smooth assault, the breathtaking views, the push we gave each other, brought back our spirits to their highest point. From then on, everything else was a bonus.
Uy, ang ganda nito. Yamaha.
Alright, Perry Malitbog Cultural Center. So, tada. Thank you for joining the FJ Moto Mountain Cross Rally. It is time to head back home!
Days, unknown terrain, countless decisions, mistakes, fatigue, and one heck of a story to tell. And somehow, we made it through together, still as a team, and perhaps deeper as friends.